Hey guys, I'm Green here, and in today's video, I have here with me the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone device. And if you're yet to like the channel or subscribe to the channel, please could you just hit on that subscribe button, as we promise to give you amazing devices. As you can see, high-end devices, courtesy of Pointech. At the back here, you can see two camera lenses and a little flash point, and then the cover screen, which you can actually use to reject calls, take pictures, accept calls, see notifications, see the time, and other features. It actually rotates, right? When you rotate the device, it actually follows through, where you get to see the time, your time, date, and your battery percentage up here. Beside it, you see your SIM card tray. At the other side, you have your power on and fingerprint sensor, and then your volume up and volume down. On the down part, of course, the microphone, two mics, one at the top, one at the other end. And then I have here speaker, and then the Type-C charging ports. So wait for it. We're about to open the package. It's kind of like, will you marry me? And she thinks you're going to give her the engagement ring, and you just open it, and this is your new phone, baby. It's not an engagement ring yet, it's a new phone. So nicely here, it opens up, featuring a resolution for the main display of 1080 by 2636, Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED screen, 16 million color depth for the main display. I have the mirror black option here with me. There is also the Mystic Bronze, there's the Mystic Gray, and there is the mirror purple variation of the color. What I have here is the mirror black. It looks beautiful. I have a screen that is up to 6.7 diagonally. Here we get to see our power button, which we can actually access directly from the menu. When we swipe it down, we have our search button. It has a standard mode, it has an NFC mode for payments, and we have you can actually put your phone on an NFC mode. So I think at the NFC mode, you may not need to open the device for you to make a payment. You still have to reset that in order to confirm. So you have your link to Windows. For people who like to connect their devices to Windows, I think Samsung may have reached kind of an agreement with Windows to do this. I don't know. So you have a QR code scanner, which basically uses the camera to scan your QR code for maybe you want to make a payment or anything. The camera actually looks beautiful and crispy. It has an auto focus mode. Virtually all modes that you can get on the other devices like Samsung Galaxy S20 Pro, S20 Ultra. Okay, we have our game launcher. Obviously, that means phone can go for gamers too. So it still features the Samsung wireless power share. So wireless power share is of course you sharing power with another device that supports wireless charging. So for the memory, an amazing 256 gigabytes on this particular device I'm using, and I have 8 gig of RAM. Of course, here I have only used 3.3 gig, giving me a whole lot of other space, over 4.7 gig left. So it has enough memory for you to run your games, do your videos, edit pictures, whatever you want to do. It also features the beautiful, I must say, the beautiful dark mode. I think the dark mode is actually one of the most beautiful things to come on smartphones of recent. I have adaptive brightness, blue light filter. I've got my font size. You could actually resize font size. You can actually download your own font and install it. So you can see here I have my Gothic on, and I have ability to also change that to Samsung or default, or you can just simply download a font that you want to use. So basically this phone comes in packed with some beautiful features. Camera may not be as powerful as 108 megapixel that the Samsung S20 Ultra features. It may not be as powerful as that, but this for people who want simplicity, for people who just want to, have something like this, like a passport you can just put in your breast pocket or your purse or whatever. Reason why you may want a smartphone like this actually does the work. It does the work. And if it's a device for you, you can simply get this off the shelf by visiting Pointech. Pointech is providing this device for review, and you can get their shops across the nation. Just type in Pointech, that's Pointek. On Google, you'll be able to see the different stores, different locations where you can buy these phones, whatever kind of device, no matter how powerful, strong it is. You can also order this from the comfort of your home by simply going to pointekonline.com and making an order there. It will be delivered to you.